You might think this is the ruins of a lost ancient temple found in Greece or Rome, but this is actually hidden in California. These are the Crowley Lake Stone Columns. For thousands of years, they were buried and hidden. But as the reservoir water eroded the shore, these massive pillars were revealed. They look perfectly carved, almost like the entrance to a cathedral, but humans didn't build them. They were created by a massive volcanic explosion 700,000 years ago. Freezing melted snow mixed with boiling hot ash and baked these stone pipes into existence. It's basically nature's version of 3D printing, and it looks totally surreal. Comment the word ruins if you're shocked that nature built this alone.